Gerund form. You are watching language study with Fusion Spark online learning platform. Let's start today's topic. Gerund. So what is meant by gerund? Gerund म्हणजे नेमकं काय? See, a gerund is the ing form of a verb that acts like a noun in a sentence. Very simple concept it is. एखाद्या वाक्यामध्ये क्रियापदाचा आयएनजी फॉर्म जेव्हा नाउन म्हणून येतो त्यावेळी आपण जेरंड आहे असं म्हणायचं. सो इट लुक्स लाईक अ वर्ब बट फंक्शन ॲज अ noun in the sentence and it's known as a gerund or verbal noun it's called. And we know that gerund means verbs which coming in present participle. Here is some examples. See, verb plus ing, it means gerund. Example: eat, eating; play, playing; swim, swimming. So let's see in the sentence. Here is one sentence: the fighting went on. So here the fighting, word fighting is a subject here and acting as a noun. Here we see that ing form of verb fight is used as a subject. See another example. Gardening is an art. So gardening is subject here. It is a gerund form. Cooking is a science. Okay, cooking is a gerund form. Then I enjoy reading poems. So reading is here gerund form. And I like reading more than writing. So all red colored words are gerund forms. See, gerund versus present participle. What is the difference between gerund and present participle? So gerund act as a noun. For example, see, swimming is a fun. In this sentence, swimming is a gerund form. And how we can use swimming as a present participle? See, she is swimming. So here swimming is a verb. So it is a present participle. It is swimming is not a gerund in the second sentence. Let's see some sentences used as a gerund. See, reading helps you learn. One more is here. Dancing is her passion. So these two words are a gerund. And here, can you guess the function of these words in this sentence? Yes, they are the subjects. See next sentence. I enjoy singing. Now here, singing is a gerund form, and next sentence, she loves drawing. In these two sentences, here the gerund form is as the object here. See, here is next sentence. He is good at painting. So here painting is a gerund and it comes after a preposition. Last sentence, they suggested going early. Now here the word going is a gerund in gerund form and it follows one verb, that is suggested. It means after certain verbs. Now there are a few verbs which always comes before gerund. Let's see some verbs. Here verbs followed by gerunds. Enjoy. I enjoy listening to music. इथं enjoy नंतर लगेच gerund form आलेला आहे. Next verb, that is avoid. He avoids talking too much. Then finish. We finish cleaning the room. So here is after finish, cleaning is gerund form we can see here. Then suggest. She suggested going by car. And one more, dislike. They dislike eating spicy food. So these are the gerund forms. Now here is given one quiz. Identify the gerund. See, first sentence, swimming is a good exercise. Very easy it is. You can easily solve. Then, I like reading storybook. He left without saying a word. She enjoys painting landscape. And running keeps you healthy. Now you have 30 seconds. In this 30 seconds, you just be ready with your answers. Okay, now let's see answers. See, swimming, reading, saying, painting, and running. Thank you.